Hello everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today we will be sewing 𝗔𝗹cie top. This is a size small, but since this is for my best friend and I know that she likes the top a bit smaller, I have my own pattern that it's very similar to 𝗔𝗹cie, but I lowered the cleavage and a little bit on the sides, on the arms, under the arm. So it's a little bit smaller. But the rest, the dart is in the same position, the back is also a little bit smaller as you can see. Well, but the pattern base is the same, but I believe she's gonna enjoy this one more. So I'm gonna do the 𝗔𝗹cie, but with this a little bit smaller version. So we are gonna start by cutting our fabrics. I will use this color. She chose the fabrics and she wanted me to do it on this one and this one. So let's start by cutting our fabrics. So we have our front pieces, our back pieces and two straps. Never mind this small white piece because once this is done you will not see this. So two straps and the front. So for the let's start with the darts. Pin the 4 darts and sew them with your straight stitch machine, 1/2 centimeter from the edge until the end here, and you sew them, all of them, and then we'll be back. We can also go ahead and sew our straps. You just fold them in half and apply the elastic, and we can also sew our back. So place right sides facing together of your fabric and pin top and bottom. Just leave the sides without pinning and we will sew the straps and also the top and the bottom. So let's reverse our back piece to the right side. Let's reverse our straps and let's place our fronts with right sides facing together and pin on the cleavage, under the arm and on the bottom. Our back is ready, our straps are ready, and now for our front, instead of doing already the bottom part of our top, I'm gonna do the cleavage and under the arm because it's easier with this bottom open to insert the straps. So let's just do this and sew here and here. Insert the straps on your top. Secure them with a pin or a clip and sew them. I use my straight stitch machine to sew the straps, and I always end the stitch with a diagonal, making sure that the threads from my overlock are secure so they will not unfold once I trim the excess fabric and threads. So please watch the next clip to see my sewing. Now let's trim our excess fabric and threads without cutting the sewing that we were just doing. And I was almost forgetting, but for the back we actually need to insert 2 small rings to secure the straps in the back. So we need to reverse this again, sorry. And so I will get back to this. Now just trim the excess and we'll be back. This top actually has some different ways that you can tie your straps. You can tie them on your neck, you can place them straight coming to the back part. straight, or you can cross them. So that's why I do a small ring with my strap. I put a metal ring in the ends, and this enables me to cross and use the straps in so many different ways that I love it. So that's why I do this like this. It's very adjustable, and if you are selling this model, this is also an advantage. You can have multiple ways of using it. So now I just cut a little bit from each side so that I can use to make a loop, place the ring, cut a little bit on each side. It's mentioned in the pattern where is the insertion of this. So you just mark, you cut, and we will do a small loop and place the ring on our back. Already have the holes ready, and with the small piece that I've cut it, I'm gonna insert the ring, fold it in half, and to make sure that this stays when I'm inserting it there, I just give a small stitch here to secure this. This is not going to be seen on the other side, so it's good. One is ready, and now we do the same for the other, and we will, using the loop turner, we will then insert these rings inside. Place your straps inside your top, pin the bottom part of your top, and sew, of course, using elastic on the side of the exterior main, or at least your main fabric here. And here, this is already in place, so we just need to secure the straps with a straight stitch, and then we will insert our back inside our front. Trim the excess fabric on your back straps. Reverse the back to the right side and insert the back strap inside inside the front, aligning both sides. Don't forget, right sides facing together. So I aligned the sides, and now I will use my straight stitch machine to sew straight here. Don't forget that we will trim, so once again reinforce your threads from the overlock, and don't forget that we need to be sewing in 4 layers. So you have to make sure that you secured the 4 layers of fabric on each side with your pins. Let's go to our sewing machine. So our top is ready, almost ready. Now we just need to trim the excess fabric, open a very small hole under one of the breasts, secure the threads with your straight stitch machine before opening the hole, and then reverse it to the right side. Let's see how it turns. It was quite a struggle because the hole that I do is very small, very tiny, and that's why I struggle so much. You can do it bigger and it's easier. So our top is done. As you can see, the finishes and the connection between the main piece and the strap is very nice because we trimmed. That's why the finish is so nice. And also on the sides, you can see that it's very perfect, so it works very well. And also the back straps will be attached here, so this is going to be very beautiful. I'm gonna try it on, I'm gonna take some pictures, and see you soon on our next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Oh, I was almost forgetting, I also did this while I was doing this. This is our Ryan bikini bottom. And this was a request from my best friend, so I believe she's gonna be in love with this new bikini. Bye!